Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we break down the complexities of blockchain technology into bite-sized, easy to digest pieces. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked about blockchain platforms in the crypto world, Cardano. So, what is Cardano and why is it so special? Let's find out. Starting with what is Cardano? Cardano is a blockchain platform that aims to create a more secure, scalable, and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications or DApps. It was founded in 2017 by Charles Hoskins, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and operates under the guidance of three organizations: IOHK, the Carnot Foundation, and Immergo. Unlike some other blockchains that rush to market, Cardano prides itself on being a third-generation blockchain that's built on research and scientific principles. It's designed to address the challenges of scalability, interoperability, and sustainability, which earlier blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum struggled with. Now, what makes Cardano unique? One of the Cardano's standout features is its commitment to peer-reviewed research. Every aspect of Cardano's design is grounded in rigorous academic research and tested thoroughly before being implemented. This ensures that the technology is robust, reliable, and future-proof. Now, let's talk about Cardano's architecture. The platform is divided into two main layers: the Cardano Settlement Layer, CSL. This handles transactions of its native cryptocurrency, ADA. The Cardano Computational Layer, or the CCL. This enables smart contracts and DApps, making it a flexible platform for developers. This layered approach improves scalability and security, allowing each layer to evolve independently without affecting the other. How does Cardano work? Cardano uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof-of-work system, Ouroboros is more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. With proof of stake, ADA holders can stake their coins to help secure the network. In return, they earn rewards. This makes Cardano not eco-friendly but also accessible to more people who want to contribute to the network's growth. Now, the main question: what can Cardano be used for? Here are some real-world use cases. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. Cardano enables smart contracts for DeFi applications like lending and borrowing. Supply chain tracking. Companies can use Cardano to verify and trace the origins of goods. Digital identity. Cardano works with governments to provide digital IDs to unbanked populations, helping improve access to financial services. Sustainability projects. It's also used for tracking carbon credits and promoted eco-friendly practices. Now let's talk about the future of Cardano. So what's next for Cardano? The platform follows a structured roadmap divided into 5 stages: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. Each stage focuses on specific goals like decentralization, scalability, and governance. The recent Gauguin era introduced smart contracts, opening the door to DApp development. The upcoming Voltaire era aims to implement a self-sustaining governance system, where ADA holders will have a say in the platform's future. Now, should you invest in Cardano? Of course! No discussion about Cardano is complete without addressing its potential as an investment. ADA, the native cryptocurrency of Cardano, has seen significant attention in the market. However, remember that cryptocurrency investments come with risks. Always do your research and consult with a financial advisor. To sum it up, Cardano is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform built for innovation, designed to solve real-world problems with blockchain technology. Whether you are a developer, an investor, or just someone curious about the crypto space, Cardano is worth keeping an eye on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto insights. And let us know in the comments what do you think about Cardano's future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in next time.